Huh? Yeah. It's so hot outside, y'all. She went to sit under there in the shade to eat her chips because she was sitting next to me in the sun. Girl said, Mommy, it's too hot. He's not really playing as much as he normally would because it's so hot. He ran down the slide. He said, Mama, the slide is hot. Yeah, that's garbage. Yeah.
Miguel, come here.
Stop pushing us.
Jada, you don't have to push us.
Well, let's
All right, go on.
stop.
If you let go, you're going to fall off. You want to come down? You want to come down?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, you can't go to bed, girl. Easy, now watch this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl and we're back with another video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for constantly coming back. Anyways, y'all, so today is Tuesday and I ran a few errands, did some stuff and whatever, and tomorrow I'm gonna get my babies. I'm gonna get my babies tomorrow. I so miss them, y'all. I can't wait to see them. I spoke to my baby, my son, and he was like, Mommy, I want to come home, I want to see you. And I'm just like, I'm coming to get you tomorrow, baby. But anyways, y'all, it's like around 10:30 now. I'm about to take a shower, get something to eat, and get ready for bed. So I'm gonna pick you guys up in the morning. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Loren and we're back with another video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're a subscriber, thank you for constantly coming back. So y'all, it's 70 degrees outside. It's been hot on and off these past couple of days, but baby, today it's hot. It's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the AC in the window. Y'all know I don't got no man no more living with me to do it for me, but my mama taught me well, so I know how to do one and two things by myself. Yeah, I know how to get down and be handy and get things done. So I put the first AC in already from the other day, like I think last week. I put that AC in If not, it probably hasn't been a week yet. But now I'm about to put in. Be careful, Mama. Back up from there. Now I'm about to put in the bigger AC. This one is very big and heavy, and I'm gonna put that in the living room window. Come, Mama. So the bracket is already there from when the guy came and installed it last summer. So I'm gonna go ahead now and basically install it myself. So let's install this AC, guys. So here I'm gonna put these on. I already put the other one on, so I'm gonna put this one on right now. So I just gotta wipe it off a little bit because it's a little bit dirty from when we packed it up the last time. You see that, guys? You gotta clean the ACs, guys. Not you, baby. Yeah, we gotta clean the AC. Yeah, you gotta make sure the AC is clean. So the bracket is already in the window, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to lift it up. I already got a bloodshot on my finger from the other one. It fell on my finger just now when I was trying to adjust it in the window. So back up, baby.
Mama,
Yeah.
your finger is okay?
It hurts a little bit.
I think that every day.
So I'm gonna go ahead right now and I'm gonna attempt to lift it. To get it in the window. So let's go. Okay, so I got it in and it's sitting on the bracket because there's a bracket in the window that I showed you guys earlier. Jada, y'all look at my little one over there. She's trying to, let me show y'all what she's doing. And I tell y'all, we are a household of independent people, okay? Independence. You got it?
I'm getting choked up. Oh my goodness.
It's in? It's all in?
Yes.
You need help? You need help?
Yes. Cool. What you did? You do it.
There you go. High five. High five. Good job. No, wait. Mommy got to use it now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the 2 screws that you put in by the window for these parts. So I just had to make sure I adjust it and make sure the corners are completely sealed properly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my screw lined up.
Well, you're not asking me twice. You are going. I'm going.
I don't think this was the screws that he used. Yes, baby. I don't think these were the screws, so I'm gonna go back and double check for some different screws. I'll be back. All right, I'm back with smaller ones, so let's try these.
This is all good. No, no. But wait, what is that? But wait, did that? That was a good one. Oh, my God.
Okay, so that one got screwed in. And that one got screwed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now. It comes with a remote, but the remote is in the drawer over there. And there we have it. My AC is in the window, so I'm not gonna be hot and sweating anymore. Listen, don't ever doubt yourself when you're not with somebody or you live alone. You can do it. Tell yourself you could do it. I've always been independent before my kid's father, and now that we're not, you know, together or in the same space, I'm gonna continue to be independent. I've always been like that, and I've always been doing stuff on my own, so I wasn't stressing about getting this done. But the best part is I was able to get it done so I could keep the house cool for me and the kids. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, then I'm gonna turn it off.
Mama, Jitter's stuck
Because it's been packed up in a box, so I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Because the one that's in the room, it lets the whole living room gets cold as well.
Uncle.
So I'm gonna be using them one at a time because baby, I don't want my electric bill to be skyrocket high, okay? So I'm gonna let 1 second, baby. I'm gonna turn it off. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, then I'm gonna turn it off. So I'm gonna catch you guys later when I'm making dinner. All right, y'all. So I'm done cleaning the house. My kids are back, so they turned the house upside down the moment they got home. They got toys out. Yes, I still got my decor up from the party. Leave me alone. I love you too, baby. So they got the toys to pack up. Who else is your mom?
You, my mom.
So they're packing up their toys in the living room. I'm gonna cook dinner. Yes.
Your food tastes yummy.
I hope.
I don't want it to be dangerous. I want it.
I'm thinking if I should make tuna and pasta, or if I should make
I want pasta.
You want pasta?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking I should make tuna and pasta. They want pasta, as y'all can hear. Or I should do
Pasta and meatballs.
I didn't make no meatballs. It's in the freezer.
Mama.
And the other option, yes baby, would be corned beef and white rice with vegetables, or tin mackerel and baked beans with white rice. But you want pasta?
What rice mean?
The white rice that I cook. When I cook white rice and curry chicken. You want pasta, Jada?
Yes, I said meatballs.
So
yes, I said spaghetti. Yes, I said.
You want spaghetti?
No.
You want spaghetti and meatball?
I want a noodle.
What do you want?
I have the long noodle and have the meatball. The meatball.
Okay, so it's something like he wants spaghetti, and that's very rare of him because he eat those stuff, but not that much. But that's what he's saying that he wants. Yes, baby?
I don't want meatball. Meatballs is so cold.
Do you want the meatball?
I want spaghetti.
And what? The meatball?
Huh?
He's confused at this point, y'all. So let me discuss with him really quick and figure out what he wants, and we'll be right back. So he finally confirmed what he wanted, which is meatball and spaghetti. So I had some mini Italian meatballs that I have bought from Food Bazaar. Yes.
Mama, it have that long noodle.
I'm gonna make the noodles too. So I'm gonna make some of those with some of the long noodles that he wants, which is the spaghetti noodles. So I got the skinny ones and I got the little fat ones and I got the flat ones. So I'm gonna make that for him, and for me and Jada, I don't know, cause she doesn't eat meatballs. I'm gonna have to make something, a small portion of something else for her.
Just take this one off.
Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna try to figure out something really quick for me and Jada, but other than that, we'll see on with spaghetti and meatballs. So I'll be back. Do y'all hear this craziness right now? Alright, so I'm back. I figured out what's gonna be for dinner. The spaghetti and meatball for Jason, and I'm gonna do tin mackerel and white rice with mixed veggies in it for me and Jada. And Jason could definitely have some of that too if he wants. But I just boiled the meatballs. It's my first time. It's my first time trying it like this. So I just boiled the meatballs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then like fry them up a little bit. I'm gonna just try it like that to see how it would actually taste, if there would be any different taste or texture wise or whatever to the meatballs when I make them. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I sent Jada to go lay down for a little bit. JC's still cleaning up. So far that's what we got going on. It's almost 7 p.m. and they gotta be in bed by 8 o'clock, 8:30 tonight, and I'm exhausted. I am tired. So hopefully I could get them to bed very early tonight. So I'm gonna pick you guys back up in a few minutes. So I told you guys that I boiled the meatballs to try something different, something new. And guys, they are like soft and tender. They are like super soft, guys. So I think they will be really good like this.
Mama, what's soft mean?
Soft means soft, Jake. If something is soft, it's not hard.
Meatballs is soft.
Yeah.
I mean, meatballs is soft.
Mhm.
Oh, look, Mama, she got the toy.
Thank you. You want to take a tablet?
Oh, not yet. I have more.
Okay. So I'm gonna leave them like this for a little bit. No, put it on top of the fridge. So I'm gonna leave them like that, and I'm gonna put it back on the fridge.
Is Daddy?
No, and now I'm gonna go ahead and boil the noodles. I don't have a lot of this one.
Empty.
Put it in the
We
sink.
need more juice in there.
Put it in the sink so I can wash it.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna just use these. I'm gonna check if I have any more of these, which I highly doubt I do, but I'm going to double check. But I'm gonna boil these ones. If not, I might just mix it with these, and then I'm gonna add the meatball back in there with the sauce and mix it all up, and that's gonna be all done. My rice and my mixed veggie rice is boiling right now. It's cooking. Y'all, excuse me if I'm messing up and slurring on my words. I'm so exhausted, like so exhausted. Yes.
Why am I not stop?
I'm not sure. Probably you packed it up. And then I'm gonna do, I think with my tin market, I'm gonna add the baked beans in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and break these in half. So they're more.
I just picked something up at Mr. Our classroom.
Where? Where is it something that you picked up? So I'm gonna break them in half so they could be more, you know, flexible for him.
Can I put this on the counter?
Yes, please. Mm-hmm. Can you come pack some juice in the fridge for me, please?
I'll put this on. I'm done packing up the juice. I can put that on the food. Okay, can I put it? Mama, can I put 2 more?
Yes, baby.
I'll pick 4.
What is it? Is it, can you open it by yourself?
No. I can't. Oh. Come on.
Take your time, sit at the table.
If
I just told you to take your time and sit at the table.
Mama, meatball is ready.
Mm-hmm. And he likes him some Parmesan cheese on top of his spaghetti and meatball. And this is his dinner. If he wants more, there's more than enough for him to have seconds, thirds, fourth, fifth. So I'm gonna do the both of these, the spicy one and the regular one. I'm gonna also add the Jamaican baked bean as well. Gotta take out that little pepper from the spicy one. So JC's already having his dinner right now. So once this is done, I'm gonna share my plate, and baby girl is gonna also eat from my plate. You okay? My big girl. So dinner is all done. JC's eating. I'm about to make my plate and eat. Jada is crying. Guys, y'all don't understand how exhausted and beat I am. Can you guys hear her crying in the back? But let me show you guys dinner really quick. And then I'm going to eat my dinner. And I'm probably going to close the vlog out tonight. And just call it a night real early. So this is my tin mackerel and baked bean. This is my white rice with my mixed vegetables in it. And this is the spaghetti and meatball that I made for JC. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Dinner is all done. So I'm going to close the vlog out here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on so whenever your girl upload a new video, you guys are instantly notified. See you in the next video. Bye. I know I feel the way.